Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making potato cheese balls. To begin, we are boiling 2 pounds of potatoes over high heat. Add in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And boil the potatoes until they are fork tender. And after about 20 minutes, these guys are done. Now transfer them into a large mixing bowl. Let them cool off for at least 10 minutes. After they have cooled off, with a potato masher, go ahead and mash them. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 large egg, Now incorporate all the ingredients until thoroughly combined. Then, with an ice cream scooper, scoop out the potatoes onto a tray. Now, place a piece of mozzarella cheese in the center or any other kind of cheese that you prefer. After placing the cheese in, reshape it back into a ball. Now run each potato ball through a breading station, all-purpose flour, scrambled eggs, and breadcrumbs. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, fry until golden brown. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, potato cheese balls. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.